Egra Vidhan Sabha constituency. Egra Vidhan Sabha constituency Bengali, Egra Vidhan Sabha Kendra, is an assembly constituency in Purba Medinipur district in the Indian state of West Bengal. Overview. Overview. As per orders of the Delimitation Commission No. 218, Egra Vidhan Sabha constituency is composed of the following: Egra Municipality, Egra I Community Development Blocks, and Basudevpur, Desbandhu, Dubdin, Manjusri, Panaparal, Sarbade, and Bibekananda Gram Panchayats of Egra Roman II community. Egra Vidhan Sabha constituency is part of No. 34 Medinipur Lok Sabha constituency. It was earlier part of Kantai Lok Sabha constituency. Results: 2016, 2011. Hash swing calculated on Congress plus Trinamool Congress vote percentages taken together in 2006. 2009 by-election not taken into consideration because of lack of sufficient data. 2009 by-election. The dipole to the Serampore occurred due to resignation of the sitting MLA of 8. Hash swing calculated on Congress plus Trinamool Congress vote percentages taken together, as well as the DSP vote percentage, in 2006. Data for comparison not available for the 2009 by-election. 2006. Hash swing calculated on BJP plus Trinamool Congress vote percentages taken together in 2006. 1977–2009 in the 2009 by-election, necessitated by the election of the sitting MLA Sasir Itakari to Parliament from Kanthai Lok Sabha constituency. Samesh Das of Trinamool Congress defeated Prabodh Chandra Sinha. In the 2006 State Assembly elections, Sasir Itakari of Trinamool Congress won the 213 Egra Assembly seat, defeating his nearest rival Prabodh Chandra Sinha of DSP-PC. Contests in most years were multi-cornered, but only winners and runners are being mentioned. Prabodh Chandra Sinha, contesting as independent or on CPM symbol, won the Egra seat between 1982 and 2001, defeating Tapan Kantikar of Trinamool Congress in 2001, Sohan Jyoti Mati of Congress in 1996, Tapan Kantikar of Congress in 1991, Keshichandra Mohan Sahu of Congress. Prabodh Chandra Sinha representing Janata Party defeated Anandi Nandan Das of CPIM in 1977. 1957–1972 Khan Samsal Alam of Congress won in 1972. Prabodh Chandra Sinha of PSP won in 1971. Vibhuti Pahari of PSP won in 1969 and 1967. Rishikesh Chakraborty of Congress won in 1962. Bhuban Chandrakar Mahapatra won in 1957. References